Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back once again. I hope you all are fine and I hope you liked my videos very well and I hope you enjoyed my videos very well. So today we are going to do how to print alphabet star pattern in Java for loop and today we will do how to what is while loop, do while loop, what's the syntax of while loop, what's the syntax of do while loop. Today we will discuss these things about this topic and today we will do this program. Today we will do this topic program that is based on while loop and do while loop. So and in my previous video, we had discussed about how to print a sandglass pattern, how to print a diamond star pattern, and whatever else we had done that. Now today we will do last program that is based on for loop, that is how to print alphabet pattern in Java. Today we will do like alphabet like A or B. These two type of alphabet pattern program we will do today. So after that we will go through uh, while loop and do while loop. So are you all ready? So okay, let's start now. So let's start it. So first of all we will open Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. We will create new window. I told you before that if you want to create a new file, then you could select a new window or you can create a new file from there. So I will create a new file from here. So I will write here what type of topic I'm doing, that is alphabet pattern, alpha, or I will write alpha.java. Now save this file. My file is saved successfully. Now you see that what I am doing here. This type of pattern program I will take by. Sorry for disturbance because my father is there at the door, at the main gate door. So sorry for disturbance. Now let's start now. So I will write here. Uh, I will write import. Oh, I'm telling you that this type of pattern program where I'm doing that is based on users value. After that, the doing the users value, or after that printing the pattern program by users value. I will also tell you how to print pattern program by input value also. So let's see this how to do this program. So I will write import java dot util dot star. I told you before, or I told you many times that if you are creating users file, if you are creating a users file, or if you are taking any input value by users, then import java.util. That is a package that is most important for taking users value. If you can't take, then your program will not run. Your program will show error. Your program will not compile also. So and scanner, by scanner is most important for taking users value. So I will write here. I will take class name. So I will write here what my class name alpha. I will write here public static void main string args. Now I will take here public static void main string args. Now I will write a input n. I will take my input that is n and scan your now write scanner format scanner c is equals to new scanner system dot in. Now I will write my reading value for my input. So let's see how to write this system dot out dot print. Now here you write enter the numbers enter the numbers of n. Now now I will scan my input value that is n. So I will write n is equals to sc dot any xt capitalized most important for taking your input for scanning your input value. If you can't scan or if you can't write input, if you can't take scanning of your input value, then your program will show error. Many times it showed error. A silly mistake show error. So be careful if you are doing this program. So I will write here now. What I will do now? I will do. I will take for loop. So let's see how to do this. I will take a for input I is equals to 0. Now I is less than equals to n I plus plus. Now take another loop. I told you before if you are taking another loop, then this type of loop is called nested loop. So I will take another loop input j is equals to 0. J is less than equals to n by 2. Now write j plus plus. Now take if else condition. Take if else statement or if else condition for scanning your for printing your alphabet pattern. So I will write here if I equals to 0 and j is equals to 0 and j j is equals to n by 2. Now close bracket. Now here you write, here you take. Now write I is equals to n by 2. Now take another I is equals to n by 2. I is equals to 0. J is equals to 0. Then j is n by 2. Then I is n by 2. Now take right now right here. Now write j is equals to 0. J double equals to 0. Now write here j double equals to n by 2. close bracket. Now here you write and I equals to 0. Now here you write else statement, or here you print your, now here you will write reading value of your if statement. So I will write system dot out dot print. Now right here system dot out dot print, take a double apostrophe comma between the star. Now take else statement. So I will write here else. Now take reading value for your else statement. So I will write system dot out dot print. Now take double apostrophe comma between the space. Now write another reading value. Now write last reading value for your program. So I will write system dot out dot print ln. Now write take this semicolon. Now my program is complete. Now let's see whether it is successful or not. How, whether it is compiled or not, or whether it is run or not. So let's see. I told you, if you have done your program, now after that you use terminal option and new terminal option to see that whether it is whether the program is correct or not, whether the program is compiled or not. Or if you can also do from CMD, that is command promote. So I will write here that same cases which I am doing in a Visual Studio, same cases which will be based on CMD, not changes. So I will write Java C. What's my alpha? Alpha dot Java. Now enter. Now it's successfully compiled. You see that? Now we will have to check it whether it is run or not. So what my class name, I told you before that if you are compiling your program, then your file name is most important, and if you are running your program, then your class name is most important for taking. So I will write here alpha. I will write any number 9. See that alphabet A star pattern has printed successfully. Alphabet A pattern. You see the alphabet A star pattern has printed successfully. So from this method, you could print alphabet A star pattern by user's value. Now I will tell you how to print alphabet A pattern by input value. It's so easy. It's so simple. Now let's see how to do this. Cut this line. Now cut this line also. Now take value for your and so I will write 7. Now save this file again. Now compile again. So what I will compile. Now it's compiled successfully. You see that. Now I will run this program. You see that from input value, my alphabet A star pattern has printed successfully. So from this method, you could print any alphabet pattern, star pattern, any alphabet from this method. So my second program is that is how to print alphabet B star pattern. I will take another example to print alphabet B star pattern. So let's see how to do this program. So for doing this, I will create another file, visual, click new window. It's opening. It's take few seconds. So wait. Now it's open. It's open now. Create new file. Now write alpha b. Now write alpha b dot java. Now save this file. Now right here. Now this Python program is basically based on users value. So I will take, so first case I will take import dot java dot util. I told you before, if you are taking users value, then import dot java dot util, that is package, is much important for taking users value. Import dot java dot util dot star dot star. Now I will take import. Now I will take class name. So I will write here alpha b. Write here public static void main string args. Take input value. So I will take input n. Now scan. Now is write scanner format. So I will write scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. Now system dot in. Now write scanner sc is equal to new. Now write reading value for your input value. So I will write system dot out dot print. Now write here enter the numbers of n. Now now you will scan your input value. So what's my input value? That is n. So I will scan my input value. N is equals to sc dot next capital mesh important for scanning or input value. I told you before and I told you many times. Now take loop. So I will write here for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Now take another loop. If we are taking another loop, then that is nested loop. I told you many times also. Input j is equals to 0, now right. J is less than equals to n by 2. Now write here j plus plus. Now take reading value for the loop. So I will write system dot out dot print, take the bracket. Now write here double apostrophe comma between the star. Now no. After that you take if else statement. So I will write if I double equals to 0 and j equals to n by 2, j double equals to 0, j double equals to 0. Now write j double equals to n by 2, write j double equals to 0. Now write j equals to double n by 2, take double n. Now write here I equals to 0, write double n I equals to n by 2, n by 2, right, take another n. Now write here equals to n minus 1, write another I is equal double equals to n by 2, take n. Now write j equals to n by 2. Now write I double equals to n minus 1. Now take double n, then j equals to n by 2. Now this format is completed. Now I will take reading value for my if statement. So I will write system dot out dot print. I will write here double apostrophe comma between the star. Now write here else statement. So I will write now take reading value for your else statement. So I will write here system dot out dot print. Now write double apostrophe between the space. Now write last reading value for your input value. So I will write here system dot out dot println. Now my file is completed. Now let's see whether it is successful or not. How to see that whether it is compiled or not. So let's see. I told you before that you use terminal option, new terminal option for compiling and running. So what's my file name? That is alpha b dot java. Enter, compile it. Now it's successfully compiled. Now let's see whether it is run or not. So for running, your class name is most important for taking run for running your program. So I will write Java Alpha B. That is my class name. I will write here 8. You see that from this method, from this input, from this user's value, my alphabet B star pattern program has printed successfully. Now, I will tell you how to print alphabet B star pattern program by user's value. It's a easy case. It's a simple case for put, taking input values. Cut this line. Now cut this line also. Delete this line. Now take value for your n. So I will write any value like 12. Now save this file again. Actually, it's a miscall. Now save this file again. Now compile again. So I will write now it's successfully compiled. Now run it again. See that from input value my alphabet B star pattern program has printed successfully. So from this method you could also print any type of alphabet pattern. A, whether it is A, whether it is Z, whether it is Y, whether it is X, any type of alphabet you could print it by using formula. So now my for loop pattern program is completed. Now, now I am going to do I'm going to tell you what is while loop, do while loop, and how to do this program, how to do this that program. So let's see, many things are in there. So first of all, I will show you my notes that what is loop, what is while loop, what is syntax. So first of all, I will show you my notes. That's my notes. I written handmade. Now we'll study what is while loop. So basically, Java while loop is used to iterate a part of the program repeatedly until the specified Boolean condition is true. As soon as the Boolean condition becomes false, the loop automatically stops. If the statement so the it means that if the statement show the true statement, then your Boolean condition will show true. If the statement is false, then the loop will automatically stop. It's that mean. Now second line paragraph is a while loop is considered as a repeating if the statement and if the numbers of iteration is not fixed, it is not recommended to use the while loop. This now what's the syntax? In that syntax is while in the bracket of condition curly bracket in the curly bracket here you write code to be executed or now next line increment whether it is increment or whether it is decrement statement. Now close this curly bracket. That's the syntax for while loop. And what is the flow chart? The flow chart is for while loop, that is if the program is coming to condition, then after that your program will show false. Here you will write false. Here you will write false in this line. That is a false statement. And after that your program in the after that condition the statement will show this statement or this line will show true line. That's the flow chart. We will how to do program by while loop. So that's it. While loop. So we will do program that is based on we will do two types of program that is based on while loop. So let's do this. After that, we will also discuss what is do while loop. So I will create another file, visual. Take another file. It's opening. It's opening. It takes few seconds to open. Now it's open. Now I will take new file. So I will write here my file name that is while dot java. Save this file. Now let's see how to do this while program. So let's see how to do this while program. So first of all, I will write class, take class name. So I will write while. Now write public static void main string args take input that is I input that is I is equals to whatever I will take, whatever else I will take a number. So I will take I is equals to that is 12 or that is 12. Now, or I will write here, or I is equals to 1. Now write while statement while. Now I told you we had discussed about the syntax that after the while then you take bracket and in the bracket that is condition. So what condition you take here? So I will take I is less than equals to 6. Okay. Now take curly bracket. Now take reading value for your loop. So I told you before, after the while condition, then you take code to be executed. Now in the code to be executed line, then here you write reading value. So I will write the system dot out dot print ln. Now here you write whatever else. I write Java is a programming language. Java is a programming Java is a programming language. Now after that, what we will do now? After that, I will take increment statement. So we had discussed in my PDF or in my handwritten note that after while the statement, here you write code to be executed. After that, here you write increment or slash decrement statement. So I will write here increment statement. Now my file is completed successfully. Now save this. Now compile and run this program. Now for compiling and run this program, you use terminal option and new terminal. And one thing that you want to know that after I told you many times that if you are compiling your program, then your file name is most important. I told you many times. And if you are running your program, then your class name is most important. So I'm compiling my program, so my file name is most important. So I will take file name file dot java. There. Oh, here I not written. Save this again. Compile again. Now it's successfully compiled. You see that now. Run your program. So I will write class name. So what's my class name? While one. While one. So I will write there. You see that Java. At least 6 times my Java's programming language is printed at least 6 times. If I write here any number like 9, then save it. Now compile it again. Now it successfully compiled. Now run again. You see that 9 times, 9 times my Java is a programming language printed successfully. It's a statement. So any type of number, any number you can take or any number you can how many times of any number how many times of you want to play it, any number you can take it. So I will also tell you how to do this program by input value. or by input value. So let's do this. How to this is program by input value. Sorry. By this program is basically based on input value. I will tell you how to do this program by users value. So let's see how to do this. So firstly, I take input. I told you before. If you are doing users value, then your package is most important. Import java dot util dot star. Now take right scanner format scanner sc is equals to new. Eight minutes. Sorry for waiting. Actually, there is some disturbance in my house because in my house there was technician team has came. So don't worry. Now continue again. So where I am, I have taken scanner SCG is equals to new scanner system dot. Now I will write here system dot in. Now I will write here system dot in scanner SCG equals to new scanner system dot in. Now second thing is I will take uh, reading value for my input. So I will write a system dot out dot print. Now I will write here enter the value of I. Now now after that I will scan my input value, that is I. If you can't scan your input value, then your program will show error. So I will scan my input value. I is equals to sc dot ne. Just important. Now it's successfully cleared. So I is equal to sc dot next capital I most important. Now let's see. Now my program is completed. Now let's see whether it is successful or not. So for compiling, I told you many times that for compile, if you want to compile your program, then you use terminal option and new terminal option. It's opening. Now I will compile my program. So let's see how to do this. So what's my file name? File that is file dot java. So firstly, you have to save your program. After that, you have to compile your program. So I will compile it. Now it's successfully compiled. You see that now. After that, let's check it. After that, whether it is run or not. So for running your program, I told you many times that for running your program, your file name is most important. While you are uh, taking running, so I will write Java while one. I will write here any number like 4, any number like 4. So I sorry. Now it's printed successfully. You see that now. Now let's see how to do this do while program. So that's for today because there is some work in my house. So there will be disturbance. So we will discuss do while loop, what is do while loop, and what's the syntax of do while loop in the next session. That's for that's enough for this session. So I will end my session now. So I hope you like my videos very well. If you like it, then please subscribe, like my videos, and if you have any query, then please comment me. I will help you out. So that's for today. In the next session, we will also do as a topic. This topic is most interested topic. That is basically in this topic that basically we will do class 12th math. Class 12th math that topic is based on matrix. Mostly matrix program we will do in array program. Matrix or how to do addition matrix, how to do multiplication. Many types of program we will do in array after doing the loop program. So in the next section, my loop program will be, and after we will go through array program. So that's for today. I hope you like my videos. Like it, please subscribe and like my channel, like my videos. So that's for today. Take care. Bye bye.